Hey, today I want to make a little video update about my home improvements. Things that I have done to my home and that were not recorded previously. A lot has changed. I'm using the iPhone 5. Let's have a look. Last time the toilet, it was pretty empty. Now I have got some tools, as you can see over there. Garbage can, new towel, this kind of place to hold my stuff, new hair dryer. I also got this shower curtain installed, and because of the water might not be the highest quality and I'm losing hair, so I'm using this kind of water filter, shower water filter, together with some of these caffeine shampoos. I hope they work. And I'm even using distilled water to rinse my hair after washing, and then I even apply the Kirkland's signature minoxidil foam, which is nice. Well, that's how my restroom looks like. But now, as you can see, we have also got ourselves this kind of closet. This is my side, this is my wife's side, this is my drawer, this is her drawer, and that's my stuff here again. And this is my office, my little camera, because I'm also trying to do some photography recently. I got the Christmas tree because I love to think that every day is a Christmas. This camping chair, I've had it, all this equipment, actually I had it for a while. This camping stuff, I love camping things. I will not replace it with the permanent furniture. But what I did is, instead of having boxes all over here, I got the bin from IKEA for dirty laundry. On top of this closet, I stack my duffel bag. Here I have yet another, this is a diffuser, or like the good smell maker, that wooden device over there. But then I also have another camping chair from Decathlon, and this is my coffee table. I use this kind of gas stove to use this very famous Bialetti Express mocha pot. It's a very iconic brand. A lot of people have it. Then I bought this famous Illy coffee, and of course NutriBullet. This one I got from internet. It was cheap. I also stick the mirror, 3 pieces of mirror, to this side of the closet. I think it makes this closet look so much better. I also have that nice flat screen TV. This is very nice. This one we got for free as a gift from my wife's parents. I stacked up, I got this TV table, brand new from mainland China, and it only cost me 100 RMB, which is about maybe 12 euros or $12, and I had to put it together myself. It's not the best quality or anything, but for $12 you couldn't get the hamburger meal. So for that kind of money, look how good it looks like. PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, keyboard because I don't have a regular television. I'm basically broadcasting all the TV channels from YouTube via basically the PlayStation 4. So I'm using this keyboard sometimes just to type in. That's why I have this Bluetooth dongle here. Here I charge my PlayStation 4 remote. In this compartment I charge my PlayStation 3 controller. Here I have a little this kind of camping light, which is very handy. Look how beautiful it can be. And by the way, it has 10 meters of that kind of pull-out kind of LEDs. Like, look, it's such a cool light. So here I have my very unfortunate Bose QC25 earphones that broke down the first week I had them. These are not good products. Sorry to say, Bose, but they didn't make the best ones. My speaker, Soundcore, Insta360 X3. It's a cool camera which I never use because I like retro technology and not so fancy new stuff like that. And look at this carpet. This is This is just a mat of bamboo, and look how beautiful it looks like. Our new bed frame, my wife there. We got those red pillows yesterday from one of the shops here in Taiwan. I haven't got the cabinets for like next to the bed quite yet, but I just I'm still working on it. But that's basically, and this is of course our little friend, Yuhu, 16 years old. She's 16. That's why she's so sleepy and tired all the time. She just have run out of energy. She was used to be the most energetic dog in the world. There, on my wife's side, we have this kind of really cool light that is actually a wireless charger, radio, and light all in one. It can do so many different fun things. Now I'm gonna show you our shoe rack area. So I got this shoe rack yesterday from IKEA. This is one very useful thing. It organizes my place so much. Now I don't need to stack them all in a row. They can be off the ground, and so this is my skateboard, of course, my wife's scooter helmet, and here is our pretty empty room, but this is our gym basically. Decathlon. This is from Decathlon again. Automatic this one, vacuum cleaner, and the mop, super useful. And yeah, it's just like one nice big room where I can just take care of myself and my physique. Here we have a fridge and a distilled water maker. By the way, this distilled water maker, I think it's the world's most famous household distiller. It's a mega home. It's made here in Taiwan, and it's not popular in Taiwan at all. This is our fridge. This came with the house. Actually, everything was empty. And look what I did yesterday. This is my VR setup. Steering wheel, my VR glasses, and actually I have 3 PlayStation 4s. At the moment it's downloading some VR racing game, but I don't have a screen for 3 different PlayStations. But what I did is I just put the camera here. It sees my lights from this headset here, and soon I will be able to play Gran Turismo and stuff. Put my those camping chairs that you saw, just put it over here. And look at this box. It's just a very cheap plastic box that has a lid on it and this kind of handle and wheels under. This thing here is my scale where I weigh myself to make sure that I'm not gaining any weight. And that's my super dope electric skateboard. That's battery is dead, and I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna change this battery because they don't produce it anymore. They don't produce the board and they don't produce the batteries. But I'm pretty sure, because I'm a technically savvy person, I will be able to use a soldering iron. First thing I need to do is, because it's all packed inside the board, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a hot air gun once it arrives. I ordered it yesterday. And I'm then taking off the grip tape. Once the grip tape is removed, I can access the battery, take a few screws out and take the battery out. And once the battery pack is out, I can dismantle it and see the cells inside. I will order the new cells from China. I will solder the new cells in and I will make it run like a brand new. I will also paint it, put the grip tape, no any kind of branding anymore. So, maybe the place that you haven't seen before and I didn't show you is the one that is under my stairs. That's this kind of area here. Here basically my bicycle pump. My bicycle is downstairs. I won't show you it today, but it's in another video if you want to see. So that's a cool bicycle. One day I will make a video about my cheap Decathlon bicycle as well. But now what we are gonna do is we're going upstairs. Check. Nice area to stack all my stuff. Now we're going to upstairs to the place where I dry my clothes, where I do all the laundry. and show you my sunbathing place, and actually the kitchen as well, because you see this coffee table that I showed you earlier. Whoa, sorry about that. So this is the rack that I got from IKEA and my laundry equipment. My washing machine, and here's my basically lounge chair. I'm not much of a person to do sunbathing or anything, but if I do, then I do. If I want to become one, then here I have a perfect place to do so. Just look at this chair. I got it for free, by the way. Somebody just wanted to give it away. And just check this view. Higher buildings, more traditional lower buildings. Everything's here. 720p video captured on iPhone 4. And yeah, that's how I live. That's a little update. I still get some stuff, and once I get more things for my by the way, here I do my this is my kitchen basically. You saw that stove? You saw I have a pan on top of my electric skateboard. I put that stove here, I put the 2 camping chairs, and when the sun goes down in the evenings we just do barbecue, because I only eat once a day, and this is a really romantic place to do so. I put that camping light here all over the place, 10 meters of it, and beautiful sky. At the moment it's a full moon festival almost, so it's full moon almost every day. It's a beautiful place to be. I wish you guys have a really nice day. I wish you all the best. Hope you have as nice home as I do. See you later. I love you.